Yeah, so here we are with the B4 CoPilot Pro. This is the first trade it took this morning.
Target filled.
I originally had it at 3 contracts. I put a resting order with our chart trader down below our go short here. Our brackets, guys, are amazing. This is where we are right now in today's dynamic realm here of the market. We have every morning we have our algo, which is our roadmap. It gives us our if-then statements. We have different scenario and breakout trades that we take with the system. It's our overall structure and general layout of the day, coupled with the rest of our system. We're at the bottom of this move now. It's time to be guarding this, guys. Following along with us here in the trade room. Go ahead and be guarding. We're at a support 1 right here. We could see that some orders came in right here. Boom, there's the buyer, stepped in heavily here. We're at the lower end of our B4 indicator. It may continue pushing here and probably push down. If it does, I would keep an eye on this bracket. There's 69.09.79.
Order
There's
filled.
our unfinished auction. Now, it didn't reverse me because immediately because I still had part of the other order going, not part of the add-on order that I had, not the initial order, or it would have flipped me there because we have a opposite signal set up there. However, I had a resting order that was actually going there. That's why I didn't initiate. I went ahead and pulled that up. Bears are dominating the marketplace here. I saw it pausing out. I acted fast. Now, I may have been a little fast on it. But what I do like about our system is where this is pausing right here and fighting, our system with the signals that I have here, delta divergence, unfinished auction, even if I do guard that and maybe get out a little early, our system will generally kick us back in. What I find it happens, guys, again, guys, I'm just sim trading this morning. I'll be simming for the rest of the year here, but I have a dedication to the trade room. So I'm here with them. I am just going to go ahead and pop in now and then, show you some of our trades, show the system here. And guys, this is not trading advice. You'll have to trade at your own risks. We don't recommend copy trading here. Two people could be watching the same instrument and have total different risk tolerances, different account sizes. Guys, that stuff typically doesn't work too well.
Order filled.
A lot of people will try to sell you on that, and yeah, it's just a sales pitch. I'm not saying copy trading doesn't work, but you would have to have similar risk tolerances, similar accounts, sizes, all of that stuff. And trying to do it live, following somebody, time is of the essence. And just a simple slip of mishap, and there's a totally different situation. Anyway, bears are dominating the marketplace this morning. We can see that we have our footprint chart over here. And we have it up with a 30-minute time frame right here. You can see right here. We're using our footprint as a volume profile. Essentially, is what we're doing. We have some very nice levels laid out with our virgin points of control. I like to refer them as volatility adjusted virgin points of control. It's a certain way that we here at B4 look at those and classify those.
Stop filled.
So if bears are dominating the marketplace, then what would look like is when we have a pullback, we would look at our volume profile and look for high volume nodes or key areas, which one would be here.
Order filled.
Now we're getting a buy signal there. I'm going to be careful here. I'm not particularly fond of that one. I know we don't trade our P&L, but guys, if I could get out of this and, still have $800, $900, $1,000, I would rather do that than risk everything that I would have gained on a trade that doesn't, feel as that I'm not as confident in.
Stop filled.
Not as confident in that one. Will it work out? Hey, if it does, we're likely to get another signal. Will give me another chance to get in there. That particular instance, I felt like not risking as much. In this case, I probably could have pulled that up and stopped out at VWAP and did a lot better there. But it is what it is. Now, one thing that we have here, and I'm zooming out. I like seeing that. We get above that VWAP. So the way we're set up here, if we break down, it's going to get me in. If we break out above that VWAP, it should get me in with these signals. These are very nice signals, guys, with our delta divergence. Now we have a whole library of different signals and different filters. But I'm finding these two are my personal favorites, the delta divergence and the unfinished auction, just for my trading style. Again, I'm thinking the bears are more in control of this market. And so let's see here.
Order filled.
Ichimoku loaded to the downside. Now this is our support area right here, and that is our value adjusted virgin point of control there. Our volatility adjusted virgin point of control there. worked out.
Stop filled.
I can always come here with a Pro Trader interface.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Place a resting order there. That can still push probably down to here. We still have room here on the lower B4 indicator. I'm going to go ahead and lock that. We're approaching this
Stop filled.
support. And guys, it hasn't been perfect execution here. The system's been spot on. I've been using discretion.
Order filled.
Okay, there's a bullish move. I'm looking at the volume and the candles, and if we get below there, I'm not excited about that move. So I'll tighten up a little bit there. If we get below that value area right there, I'm not happy about the bulls. I can see there is still some buyers here, sort of where these orders are here.
Stop filled.
These are stacked imbalances, by the way. Sorry, I'm paying attention to price action. Still looking bullish here with the lower B4. Waiting to see if we get some divergence here. Basically, Barb calls that edge no edge. You can go through and look and see where on that top row right there where it locked in bears, it locked in bulls, locked in bears. You can go through and count that and look at the opportunities and see, hey, a lot of times it's 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10 is what you see that looking like. It's usually pretty nice.